Hi, this is the ASUS ROG Phone 7 and I'll show you how to set charging limit on this device. So open first the settings, then tap to the battery section and tap to battery care. Here you'll see the select charging limit section. Just on the panel you could switch the charging limit from 100 to 80 and to 90. So to set a lower charging limit so usually it's okay to set the lower charging limit just to extend battery lifespan. So just let's use, for example, the 80%. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.